The closer you can get to 12 a.m. or even 12:01 a.m., that's sort of when you want to increase your budgets, because that's sort of when things reset, the budgets go back to zero, and you want to go ahead and increase your budget then, so it doesn't really stuff up the optimization. Now I'm going to go in depth on what time is the best time to go ahead and increase your budgets when you're scaling. Everything will be explained in this free segment from my program right now. By the way, if you want to join my program, click the links below. Go through the application process, and if you're lucky and we find that you're a right fit, we'll go ahead and jump on a call with you and invite you into the program.
What time should I change the budget?
I like to vertically scale near the end of the night and increase the budget from 5 to 10 or 10 to 20, roughly around 10 to 12 p.m.
So my ads start at 3 p.m. That's based on Chicago time is 0000. But if I do 11 to 12 p.m., it would be in the middle of the campaign schedule.
Yeah.
Should
so
I still
do is, since your ad account is in Chicago time, you'd search up Chicago time and you'll find what time it is when it is 10 or even 12 p.m. or just before, like when it hits 12 and it goes into a new day. Like ideally, if most people, they don't stay up till 1 a.m. or 12 a.m. But since you use a different time zone, if Chicago 12 a.m. is you 3 p.m., then you just change the budgets at 3 p.m. every day. So that's a good advantage of using different time zones on your ad account. You don't have to stay up till 12 a.m.
Right. So like right after, right?
I like to do it right after, like at 12 a.m.
Okay.
You have the window is like 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 12 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. As you can see, straight to the point, that's the answer. It's that simple. Like, you want to get as close as you can to midnight. If you do it at 10 p.m., that's still okay. Like sometimes within the next 2 hours from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m., it might sort of spend the new budget in that last 2 hours, but that rarely happens. So you should be okay. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Very straight to the point value, very short, no BS. Question of the day, what time do you tweak your budgets? I want to know. Me personally, I sort of do it just before I sleep, so around 10 p.m. That's sort of when I tweak my budgets. Ideally, I want to do it around 11 or 11:30, but what time do you tweak all your budgets? Or do you just not care and just up it whenever throughout the day? Let me know. Before we end today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting courses with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. On that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with much more straight to the point value with no BS. Thank you so much for the support. I want to say thank you for those who watch my channel every single day. Thank you so much for the support, and yeah.